Did you know that about 60% of Canadian homeowners renewing their mortgage in 2025 or 2026 are expected to see their payments go up compared to today's levels? In this video, I'll break down why that's happening, how much more you might end up paying, and exactly what you can do now to reduce the damage. Let's get into it. According to the Bank of Canada, about 60% of mortgage renewals in 2025 and 2026 will face higher payments compared to December 2024. Most of those affected are in fixed-rate mortgages, especially 5-year fixed terms. For example, if your 5-year fixed ends up renewing in 2026, your payment could rise 15 to 20% over what it was at the end of 2024. On the flip side, variable rate mortgages may see some reductions in payment because the interest rate environment is cooling, but lenders are pulling back on variable rate discounts, and fixed rates themselves are creeping upward in many cases. So even though interest rates have come down slightly, many people who locked in earlier at ultra-low rates are still going to feel the pain at renewal. There are a few reasons why this is happening. First, the rate catch-up effect. Many fixed mortgages were taken when rates were extremely low. Now market rates are higher, so the spread between the old rate and the new one is causing a payment shock. Second, fewer discounts. Variable rate lenders are shrinking the discounts off prime, making those products less favorable than before. Third, lender costs and risk. Funding costs are higher, and banks are more conservative with pricing as they manage risk in a volatile market. And finally, policy and regulation. Stress test rules and underwriting standards are still strict, which can make renewals tougher for borrowers with tighter budgets. Here's what that means in real life. Scenario A, a fixed rate renewal. You locked in a 5-year fixed mortgage at 2.8%. When you renew in 2026 and the comparable rate is 4.5%, that jump means your monthly payment could rise 15 to 20%. If your payment was $2,000, you could now be paying $2,300 to $2,400. Scenario B, variable to fixed. You're currently in a variable mortgage and decide to go fixed at renewal for peace of mind. While that offers long-term stability, your new starting rate could be much higher than what you were paying in variable mode. The averages tell the story. The Bank of Canada estimates most fixed renewals will see payment increases of 15 to 20% over December 2024 levels, but it's not the same for everyone. Some will see smaller jumps, while those with larger balances or tighter margins will feel it more. So what can you actually do right now to prepare? Number 1, review your renewal early. Don't wait until the last minute. Start 6 to 12 months before your renewal to benchmark rates and shop around. Number 2, lock in early if it makes sense. If you expect rates to rise, converting from variable to fixed before renewal might help you secure a better rate. Number 3, shop around and negotiate. Don't assume your current lender will give you the best deal. Use competition to your advantage. Number 4, lower your overall risk. Pay down high-interest debt, improve your credit score, and reduce your liabilities. It all helps you qualify for better pricing. Number 5, consider shorter or hybrid terms. A 3-year or hybrid term can give you flexibility and lessen the shock at renewal. Number 6, stress test your budget. Run what-if scenarios now. What if your rate jumps 2%? Know what your payments would be so you can prepare. And finally, start saving the difference now. If you know your payment will rise, get used to setting aside that extra cash today so it's not a shock later. So yes, many Canadians renewing their mortgage in 2025 and 2026 are going to see their payments go up, but it doesn't have to be a disaster if you plan ahead. If you want help modeling your renewal, seeing what your new payments could look like under different rate scenarios, I can run those numbers for you. Reach out anytime. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more Canadian mortgage tips, and share this with someone you know who's renewing soon. I'll see you in the next video.